Good morning, children. Welcome back to online classroom of English. I hope all of you had your breakfast, right? Are you ready to begin our session? Yeah, fine. In our last class, we discussed the question answers of lesson 6. And now we will discuss the grammar portion. I think all of you learned nouns. What is a noun? Yes, what is a noun? Noun is a naming word. What is naming word? Yes, a naming word may be name of a person, place, thing, or animal. Can you give an example of a noun? Yes. What is it? School. School is a place. Dog. Dog is an animal. So dog is also a noun. Then what else? Boy. Boy is a noun. It is the name of a person. Then what else? Fan. Fan is a thing. Right? So, a noun is a name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Now, we can discuss singular and plural noun. A noun can be singular or plural. Singular means one. Plural means more than one. That is many. Okay. A singular noun tells us about one person, one thing, one animal, or one places. No, not places, place. Can you give an example? Yeah. A boy. That is one boy. A fan. That is one fan. A dog. That is one dog. Then what else? A bus. One bus. Clear? Then plural noun. A plural noun tells us about more than one persons. That is many. Many persons, many animals, things, or places. For example, what? Can you give an example? Yeah. Many buses, many girls, many boys, many dogs, many flowers. That is more than one. My dear children, I hope you got today's topic clearly. Is it clear to you? Yeah. We shall discuss more about the singular and plural tomorrow. I also attached another URL related to this topic. Go through it so that you can make it more clear. Okay, that's all for today. See you next day. Bye.